In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete Oanda Demo Account. Here's the real story up front. Unlike many platforms, Oanda doesn't give you a simple delete button for demo accounts. These practice accounts aren't designed to be manually removed from your dashboard. Instead, they're usually left as is, or they naturally expire after a period of inactivity. This is especially common with MT4 demo accounts, which Oanda often closes automatically if they haven't been used for a while. So if you've been hunting for a delete option and can't find it, you're not missing anything. There simply isn't one in most cases. The first and simplest approach is to just stop using the demo account. Leaving it alone won't affect your live trading, your balances, or your access to the platform. Oanda allows multiple demo accounts, so having older ones listed isn't a problem. Think of them as snapshots of past practice sessions. If the clutter bothers you, remember that they're harmless and don't interfere with anything you do on your live account. If you really want the demo account removed from your profile, the only reliable way is to contact Oanda support. Start by logging into your Oanda account, then head to the Help or Support section and open live chat. Once you're connected, clearly request that your demo account be deleted or removed. You can say something as straightforward as, "Please delete or remove my demo account." Support will take it from there and process the request for you. Because there's no self-service delete option, this step is typically required. Be ready for a quick verification, and if you have multiple demo accounts, specify which one you want removed to avoid confusion. Before you go through support, consider a helpful alternative. If your goal is a clean slate or a fresh practice environment, you can simply create a new demo account at any time. It's quick, and it leaves your old practice history intact if you ever want to reference it. You can also reset the balance on a demo account if you want to start over without opening a new one. Both of these options give you that fresh start feel without waiting on an official deletion. To wrap up, Oanda demo accounts typically can't be deleted manually. Your choices are to ignore them and let them expire, or contact support to remove them for you. And if what you really want is a clean practice environment, creating a new demo or resetting the balance is usually the fastest path.